So today's the day we're going to replace our countertop, the piece with the sink in it. Here's hopefully what it'll look like when we're done. This is the countertop we're going to have, a butcher block. We already took out the sink. That was just a matter of, not just a matter, but it was a matter of taking off the garbage disposal and unhooking the pipes, right? So we just removed the old countertop. There was one screw that was being stubborn, so Nick's trying to get that out now. So that was pretty easy actually, getting the old countertop off. Just a matter of taking off all the screws. So as you can see, there's these corner pieces in each corner of the cabinet, so you just unscrew it from the bottom. So now the dishwasher, I've seen people put a metal plate over the dishwasher, but I don't know what the sense of that is, because our old countertop was, what is that called, that wood?
Mica?
From mica. Well, now we're replacing it with an actual butcher block wooden board, so I'm not sure what the difference would be with the heat distribution, I guess. Is that why they do that?
I don't know.
I don't know what the sense of that is. I mean, this is all, you know, plastic, and so I don't know. If we're not gonna do that, are we? We don't have a metal plate
I
for
don't
one
even
thing.
know where we get it.
Right. So I don't know. If you know anything about that, leave us a comment. Otherwise, we're just gonna go ahead and put our new butcher block right over this. So, all right. Well, if you wanna, I can show you really quick. So here's the old that we just took out, and here's the new that we're gonna put on. So we gotta flip it over, and then we're gonna attach the sink to the other side, which is sitting right here, and we are reusing our existing sink. It's a Moen. We just bought it like, I don't know, a couple of years ago. Nothing really wrong with it. It's already a little bit scratched up, which I'm a little bit disappointed with. It's a Moen sink. It was kind of expensive, so it's, I don't know, it's not holding up all that great. Alrighty, so here we are in the process. So next time I'll come on, I don't know, we'll hopefully have the sink attached to it. So what we're going to do again is we're going to flip this board over. This is the top right now, and we're going to put the sink, attach it to the underside with the silicone. All right. So we just did we're doing a trial run to make sure that it fits properly before we attach the sink. And it's popping right in there.
It's in this corner.
Okay.
And then there.
Yeah, so I just put some tape here, because we're not going to pull out the stove, just so it's not going to mess up our stove. But yeah, it looks good, it fits. We got the sink hole right?
Well, I'll confirm that once I get the sink in.
Oh, well, yeah, right, there's that.
Because I don't know about these drawers. That could be an issue, but...
Oh, you think?
Well, if it's going to be
Is it offset? No,
here.
no, it looks good.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, yeah, hopefully. Alright, well, we shall find out. But yeah, so far so good. It fits perfect. We measured it like, I don't know, 1,500 times? No, not quite that many times, but yeah, alrighty.
So we've got the sink into position where we want it. These are the ones we took off, the brackets we took off. Now we're going to want something that...
holds the sink to the board.
Correct.
Yeah, so we need screws, right?
Yeah, we'll have to get different hardware for that.
Okay.
Because we're undermounting it, that's what's changed. So
yeah.
Okay.
So if you lift off the sink once.
Oh, am I doing that?
Mm-hmm. Yep. So we marked with a pencil where the sink is going. So So then we can, when we come back, we can just run a bead of, so we know exactly where, you can see my pencil mark there. We know exactly, you know, where we're going to mark it and where the sink's going to go back. So next time we don't have to do all this remeasuring and adjusting and doing all that. So, alright, well, we're going to run to the hardware store and we'll be back when we get back. Alright. So we're back from the hardware store and we are now putting the silicone sealant glue on. So we're just going to follow that outline that I created with the pencil earlier. And yeah, well, easy peasy, nothing to this part. And yeah, Nick, do you have anything to say?
Not a thing, just laying on that bead, and then we bought hardware to undermount the sink.
Yeah, well, that'll be our next step. So we'll just do a continuous line.
We bought clear.
Yep, clear
so
silicone.
This would be visible.
Mold free, 20 years. See, we're still here in 20 years. So it's a caulk and a sealant all in one. We lined up with our, oops, sorry, hole over here. Where is it? Oh yeah, our hole's not lined up here.
Okay.
It needs to go this way. Okay.
How's that
Do
front
you have
look?
to measure it again now?
I better, yeah.
Well, let's see what it looks like underneath. Oh yeah. I don't see it anywhere squeezing out. Once we're all done and everything's in place, we're going to put another bead of caulk on this side, on the actual. Nick is securing the sink to the bottom of the butcher block with clips now to give it a little bit more stability. Make sure, you know, it doesn't plop off there if you do a full sink of dishes. So these are the screws we're using. It's a Spax multi-purpose construction screws, 1.5 inches. It's a number 10. So that means the head is what, 10 millimeters?
The whole
this thing?
diameter, yeah. You got
Oh, I see. Yeah, we need something big enough so that it's not going to go through that hole here. Okay, again, 10 of these came with the sink. So we're just repurposing what we already have. If you don't have these, if you're using a sink you already have and you don't have these clips, I guess you can just use any kind of a little metal plate, right? Mm-hmm. You know, just something to give it a little bit extra support to hold it up under your countertop, so the thing doesn't come falling off. Okay, so like I said, yeah, there's 10 of them, so we're just going to go ahead and attach all these.
You're gonna fast forward to this, right? Be careful of the edges.
So now we gotta bring it up high though, right?
Right?
Okay, hang on a second here.
Yep.
Oh god! Ah! Okay. High enough?
So, okay. Alright. Ready?
Nope.
Okay. Come in off the end, because we gotta go up against the wall. Can you get off of there? Come out in front. Come out in front.
Oh.
You can't be there and put the thing there. Close to that edge.
What am I gonna do? Oh my.
There you go. There you go.
Oh, my hand is in there.
Get your hand out.
Okay.
Okay, I gotta back up. There.
Okay, oh.
Alright, we'll go in together.
Alright, you don't have to.
Oh, shh.
What you do?
I don't know, the whole, we're resting on this yet. It's gotta come up and then move in.
Yeah, that's
okay,
not,
now push your end in. If you could push your end in.
It works in the back, but it doesn't work in the front. So we just take these off, we don't need them. There's plenty of, because it's going to sit on that lip. So we noticed that, well, we didn't notice, it didn't work. So the front clips are sticking too far out. They hang the rest on the cabinet. So we're going to take the 3 front clips out and hope that the 7 other ones will hold it up, right?
Well, it'll be resting on this piece too.
Yeah, that's true. Yep. All right. All right, everything fits. And we have our little spacers. Since it's wood, it's got to breathe, so you have to have a little bit of a, leave a little bit of a gap for expansion. You know, well, how does it go? Oops. Thicker in the summer, thinner in the winter, or something like that, whatever. But anyway, so yeah, it all fits. We got that right button up to the stove. And now next just gonna put the faucet back in there. Top should work because it's the same hole as before. And yeah, so at the very end we're just gonna put another bead of caulk right around here, right around the whole edge. But yeah, it looks really good. I like it. Way better than what it was before. And then yeah, our next I hate to even say it, but our next DIY project will be tiling the backsplash. And we've never tiled before, so that's going to be joy as well. So this wasn't my favorite project by any means. It was kind of on a scale of 1 to 10, Nick, what do you think?
For our skill level, yeah, 10.
10 is in it was horrible?
Well, I don't know about horrible, but complex, and there were a lot of factors here.
Yeah, and it took a while. We put 4 layers of this sealant on. And we're gonna probably give it another night when we're all done, a nice little sanding, and put another final coat over the top, and then we'll have to do it like once a year or so, just to maintain it. But yeah, it turned out really nice.